This isn't just a scooter, it's the future of urban travel. Meet the BowM Scooter, where cutting-edge engineering meets sleek, minimalist design. Built for riders who want more than just a commute, this electric vehicle delivers a smooth, almost magic carpet experience on every ride. With speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour and a strong 50-kilometer range, it's perfect for daily city life. Its advanced safe steer system ensures exceptional stability, even on rough roads, giving you total control and confidence. The durable aluminum unibody frame adds strength, while the 360-degree lighting system keeps you visible at all times. This isn't just transportation, it's a smarter, safer way to move.
This bike doesn't ride on water, it flies above it. Introducing the Manta 5 SL3, a revolutionary hydrofoil e-bike that transforms water into your personal highway. The moment you start pedaling, its carbon hydrofoils generate lift, raising you above the surface for a smooth flying sensation. Powered by the HydroPack electric system, it delivers quiet, emission-free performance with hours of ride time. Reaching speeds around 20 kilometers per hour, it stays stable and controlled with pedal assist and throttle support. What makes it truly special is how natural it feels once airborne. This isn't just a ride, it's a completely new era of electric water adventure.
This looks like a chair, but moves like a rocket. Introducing the one-wheel fastest e-chair, a wild fusion of creativity and electric engineering. Built on advanced self-balancing technology, this machine transforms a simple seat into a high-speed mobility experience. Using gyroscopes and intelligent motor control, it responds instantly to your body movement. Lean forward to accelerate, lean back to slow down. It feels less like driving and more like floating in control. Experimental builds have pushed this platform to impressive speeds, proving its raw potential. While it's not designed for everyday transport, it stands as a bold glimpse into extreme electric innovation, where imagination meets performance in the most unexpected way. One wheel, 150 kilometers per hour? This is next-level mobility. Meet the Inmotion P6, a futuristic electric unicycle built for extreme performance. This isn't a casual ride, it's engineered to push boundaries with a high-voltage system and incredible power output. Reaching speeds up to 150 kilometers per hour and offering an impressive 150-kilometer range, it combines speed with endurance like never before. Advanced suspension and cooling systems keep it stable even under intense conditions, while smart safety features add confidence to every ride. With app connectivity, GPS tracking, and full customization, the P6 feels more like a high-tech machine than a vehicle, redefining the future of personal transport. This car doesn't just predict the future, it defines it. Introducing the Peugeot Concept Car 6, a bold vision of next-generation electric luxury. First unveiled at Auto China 2026, this concept blends the elegance of a sedan with the sporty attitude of a shooting brake, creating a truly futuristic presence. Its signature three-claw LED lighting instantly stands out, while the long bonnet and aerodynamic lines boost both efficiency and style. Every detail reflects Peugeot's refined French design philosophy, emotional, not just functional. Beyond its stunning looks, this EV represents the future of mobility, where performance, innovation, and premium design come together in one powerful statement.
What if an off-road legend went electric and got even stronger? Meet the Nissan Terano PHEV Concept, a bold evolution of a classic SUV built for the electric era. Unveiled at Auto China 2026, this plug-in hybrid combines rugged body-on-frame strength with modern innovation. Under the hood, it pairs a turbocharged engine with an electric motor, delivering over 400 horsepower and serious torque. Its boxy design, skid plates, roof rack, and rear-mounted spare wheels scream adventure. Yet it's just as smooth and efficient in the city as it is unstoppable off-road. This isn't just an SUV, it's power, versatility, and the future of exploration in one machine. 3 wheels, 0 limits. This is pure driving emotion.
Introducing the Yamaha Tricera Proto, a futuristic three-wheel electric machine built to redefine driving sensation. This open-top concept isn't about everyday transport. It's an experimental platform focused on emotion, control, and precision. Its advanced three-wheel steering system allows all wheels to actively respond, delivering incredibly sharp cornering and unmatched responsiveness. The open cockpit design creates a direct connection between driver and machine, while Yamaha's Alive AD sound system adds real-time audio feedback, making every acceleration feel alive. This isn't just innovation, it's a bold vision of how future electric mobility will feel, not just move.